ओम नमः शिवाय मोर स्नेहर छात्र छात्री माने दीपुसर ज्ञानदेव यूट्यूब चैनल मु स्वागत करुछि। आज पिला माने मो प्लस टू सेकेंड इयर आर्ट्स कॉमर्स साइंस पिला मानक पई इंटरनल पई गोटे सुंदर वीडियो प्रस्तुत करिछि। पाखापाखि चारोटी विषय हमर इंटरनल ले पड़िबो। द ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज, डैफोडिल्स, डॉक्टर स्वार्ड, नाइटिंगेल एंड द रोज, ये चारोटी विषय पिला माने मो बछा बछा एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आज प्रस्तुत करिछि। आज तुम मान सहित आलोचना करी जहाँकि परीक्षा रे आरि भितर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन निश्चय आसो। एवं पिला माने मु गोटे पर गोटे विषय एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आलोचना करुछि। गोटे भिडियो रे पिला माने चारोटी विषय एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आलोचना करी। एवं पिला माने हम प्रथम द ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आउ डैफोडिल्स एमदिया गोटे पर गोटे विषय क्वेश्चन आलोचना करबा। माय ग्रेटेस्ट ओलंपिक प्राइज रो राइटर किए बा लेखक किए? ऑप्शन जेसी ओवेन्स, लुज लॉन्ग, एडल्फ हिटलर, चर्चिल। पिला माने उत्तर होची जेसी ओवेन्स। नेक्स्ट, जेसी ओवेन्स बिलोंग टू व्हिच कंट्री? ऑप्शन अमेरिका, इंग्लैंड, जर्मनी, इटाली। जेसी ओवेन्स केउं देशर लोक? उत्तर पिला मानुची अमेरिका। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहिची व्हाई हैड जेसी ओवेन्स कम टू जर्मनी? ऑप्शन टू प्ले फुटबॉल, to play cricket, to participate in the Commonwealth game, to participate in the Olympic games। जेसी ओवेन्स कौन पाई जर्मनी आसीथिले? उत्तर पिला मानुची डी ऑप्शन टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द ओलंपिक गेम। जो ओलंपिक क्रीडा रे भाग नेबा पाई जेसी ओवेन्स जर्मनी आसीथिले। 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहिची इन व्हिच ईयर दिस ओलंपिक गेम्स वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? को वर्ष ओलंपिक खेल अनुष्ठित होइतिला? ऑप्शन 1935, 1937, 1936, 1938। जो उत्तर पिला मानुची 1936 मसिया। जे 1936 मसिया ओलंपिक क्रीडा जर्मनी रो बर्लिन सहर रे होइतिला एवं सेतबळे पिला माने जर्मनी रो शासक थिले एडल्फ हिटलर, जी कि नाजी दलर प्रतिष्ठाता थिले एवं उग्र जातीयतावाद प्रतीक थिले एडल्फ हिटलर। 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन व्हिच सीजन दिस ओलंपिक गेम्स वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? ऑप्शन विंटर, समर, स्प्रिंग, रेनी। को ऋतु रे बा को समय रे ओलंपिक खेल अनुष्ठित होइतिला जर्मनी रे बा बर्लिन रे? उत्तर होची बी समर, ग्रीष्म ऋतु समय रे। 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड एडल्फ हिटलर childishly instinct? ऑप्शन हिज परफॉर्मर्स वेर मेंबर्स ऑफ मास्टर रेस, हिज परफॉर्मर्स वेर मेंबर्स ऑफ नॉर्डिक रेसेस, हिज परफॉर्मर्स वेर मेंबर ऑफ आर्यन रेसेस, ऑल द अबव। पिला माने उत्तर होची ऑल द अबव, डी ऑप्शन। 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन छुआ कहिची व्हाट वाज he thinking when he was coming over the boat? To plant well, was confused what to do, to win 1 or 2 gold medals, to play whatever may be। उत्तर पिला मानुची सी ऑप्शन to win 1 or 2 gold medals। 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन छुआ कहिची on which event at he decided to participate? जे को खेल रे से पार्टिसिपेट करथिले जेसी ओवेन्स? ऑप्शन हाई जंप, रनिंग, लॉन्ग जंप, स्विमिंग। उत्तर पिला मानो जी सी लॉन्ग जंप। 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द रिकॉर्ड ही हैड क्रिएटेड a year before as a university student? ऑप्शन ए by jumping 26 feet 8.1/4 inches, by jumping 26 feet 7.1/4 inches, by jumping 26 feet 8.1/2 inches, by jumping 26 feet 8.1/3 inches। उत्तर पिला मान होची ए ऑप्शन by jumping 26 feet 8.1/4 inches। 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ जेसी ओवेन्स राइवल? ऑप्शन हिटलर, चर्चिल, लुज लॉन्ग, नॉन ऑफ द अबव। जे जेसी ओवेन्स राइवल किए थिले? उत्तर होची लुज लॉन्ग, सी ऑप्शन लुज लॉन्ग। 11 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डज एन एंग्री एथलीट डू? Option: an angry athlete easily wins the match. An angry athlete becomes loser. An angry athlete makes mistake. All the above. ରାଗିବା ସ୍ୱଭାବର ଆଥଲେଟିକ୍ ମାନେ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି? ଉତ୍ତର ପିଲାମାନେ ହେଉଛି ସି ଅପସନ୍। ଏନ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗ୍ରି ଆଥଲେଟ୍ ମେକ୍ସ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ସ। ଜଣେ ରାଗ ସ୍ୱଭାବର ଆଥଲେଟିକ୍ ପିଲାମାନେ ସାଧାରଣତଃ କିଛି ଭୁଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତି। ସି ଅପସନ୍। Why was Jesse Owens disqualified in his first two trials? ପ୍ରଥମ ଯେଉଁ ଦୁଇଟି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ୍ରେ ଜେସି ୱେନ୍ସ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଡିସ୍କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ ହେଇଥିଲେ? ପ୍ରଥମ ଦୁଇଥର ଯେଉଁ ଆଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ସେ ନେଇଥିଲେ। Option A, he was nervous. He was afraid of Hitler. He jumped from several inches beyond the take-off board for a no jump. He could not understand the rule. ପିଲାମାନେ ସି ଉତ୍ତର ଅଛି। She jumped from several inches beyond the take-off board for a no jump. 13 number question. The important thing in Olympic is dash. যে অলিম্পিক খেলার গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কথা কোন রয়েছে? টেকিং পার্ট, প্লেইং ট্রিক্স, গিভিং ট্রায়ালস, অল দি অ্যাবভ। উত্তর পিলামান হচ্ছে এ অপশন টেকিং পার্ট। যে অলিম্পিক ক্রীড়ারে ভাগ নেওয়া ସବୁଠାରୁ ହେଉଛି ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଥା ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କରିବା। ଜେସି ୱେନ୍ସ ୱାଜ୍ ଡେସ୍। ଅପସନ୍ ଏନ୍ ଆମେରିକାନ୍ ନେଗ୍ରୋ, ଏନ୍ ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆନ୍, ଏ ଜର୍ମାନ, ଏ ସ୍ୱିମର। ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ଏନ୍ ଆମେରିକାନ୍ ନେଗ୍ରୋ। ପିଲାମାନେ 15 ନମ୍ବର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ କହିଛି ଦି ମୋଟୋ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ଅଲିମ୍ପିକ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଡେସ୍। ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ସ୍ଲୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଷ୍ଟଡି ୱିନ୍ ଦି ରେସ୍। ଅପସନ୍ ବି ପାର୍ଟିସିପେସନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଦେନ୍ ୱିନିଂ। Option C, faster, higher and stronger. Option D, winning is more important than participation. उत्तर पिलामान होची C, faster, higher, stronger। 16 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिलामान कहिची lose long suggested Owens to dash। Option A, draw a line a few inches in the back of the board and then take off। Option B, run fast. Option C, not to participate in the finals. Option D, fall in the last attempt। ପିଲାମାନେ ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି जो ଲୁଜ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ସଜେଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ୱେନ୍ସକୁ। ଅପସନ୍ ଏ, ଡ୍ର ଏ ଲାଇନ୍ ଏ ଫ୍ୟୁ ଇଞ୍ଚେସ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦି ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦି ବୋର୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦେନ୍ ଟେକ୍ ଅଫ୍। 17 ନମ୍ବର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଛୁଆ କହିଛି ଜେସି ୱେନ୍ସ କନସିଡର୍ସ ହିଜ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସିପ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଲୁଜ୍ ଲଙ୍ଗ୍ ଏଜ୍ ଡେସ୍। ऑप्शन ए 18 कैरेट फ्रेंडशिप, 22 कैरेट फ्रेंडशिप, 24 कैरेट फ्रेंडशिप, 25 कैरेट फ्रेंडशिप। उत्तर पिला मन होची जे जेसी ओवेन्स और लुज लंग मध्य जो फ्रेंडशिप बंधुत्व होइतला एटा ऑप्शन सी 24 कैरेट फ्रेंडशिप। 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहि दी फाउंडर द मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम इज डैश। जे आधुनिक ओलंपिक क्रीडार प्रतिष्ठाता किए? ऑप्शन बिल गेट्स, पेरी डी कुबर्टिन, महात्मा गांधी। उत्तर होची पेरी डी कुबर्टिन। लुज लॉन्ग वाज स्कूल्ड इन डैश। 1919 नंबर क्वेश्चन एन इंटरनेशनल इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल, नाजी यूथ मूवमेंट, एन अर्बन स्कूल इन जर्मनी, नॉन ऑफ द अबव। उत्तर होची नाजी यूथ मूवमेंट। 20 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला मन कहि दी टू फ्रेंड्स टॉक्ड फॉर 2 hours on dash political situation on Germany, about Hitler's behavior, about track and field, the world situation and dozen other things, all the above। तो दुई जण बंधु जेसी ओवेन्स और लुज लंग, दुई जण बंधु जेसी ओवेन्स एवं लुज लंग जो 2 घंटा कथबार्ता कले क्यों संबंध रे कथबार्ता करतले? उत्तर पिला मन होची सी ऑप्शन about track and field, the world situation and a dozen other things। 21 number question, how long did Owens and Long talk? How long did Owens and Long talk? केते समय से माने कथबार्ता करितले? for an hour, for 2 hours, for few hours। उत्तर पिला मन होची for 2 hours, 2 घंटा धरि कथबार्ता हेतले। 22 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला मन कहि Owens and Long did not talk about dash। से समय क्यों संबंध रे कथबार्ता करि नथिले? ऑप्शन ट्रैक्स एंड फील्ड्स themselves the world situation other athletes उत्तर पिलामन होची other athletes 23 नंबर क्वेश्चन who broke his own past record किए तांकर पछ रेकॉर्ड को अतीत रेकॉर्ड को भांगी देथिले खेल रे ऑप्शन लूजलंग जेसी ओवेन्स बोथ लॉन्ग एंड ओवेन्स नन ना उत्तर होची लूजलंग who is the father of modern olympic games Jesse Owens, Perry, the Coubertin, Luzlong, Adolf Hitler. उत्तर पिला मन होची Perry, the Coubertin. एबे पिला माने आमे डैफोडिल जे कि विलियम वार्टन द्वारा रचित डैफोडिल एमसीक्यू छु आलोचना करूछे. डैफोडिल्स इज कंपोज्ड बाय डैश. डैफोडिल कविता की रचना करथिले ऑप्शन विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, जॉन कीट्स, P.F. Shelley, none of the above. उत्तर पिला मन होची विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ was born in Dash. को मसिया रे विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ जन्म ग्रहण करितले. ऑप्शन 1770, 1780, 1775, 1772. उत्तर होची 1770. This poem incorporates the ideas and aspects essential to Dash. Option romantic poetry, metaphysical poetry, spiritual poetry, none of these. उत्तर होची romantic poetry. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. In the above lines, the daffodils have been compared to Dash. अब तो छुआ को देखो continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. जो लाइन टा रही शाइन एंड ट्विंकल ऑन द मिल्क वे एटी डैफोडिल को कौन कंपेयर कराई का सहित ऑप्शन द क्लाउड्स द अदर फ्लावर्स द स्टार्स मिल्क वे उत्तर हो जी द स्टार्स. द पोएट सॉ द डैफोडिल्स कवि डैफोडिल को देखिथिले along the margin of a by the side of a pool by the side of river side in a गार्डन. उत्तर होची along the margin of the bay. पिला माने डैफोडिल को कवि समुद्र बा ह्रद निकट रे देखिथिले बा ह्रद कूल रे देखिथिले. 6 नंबर what wealth this show to me had brought. What wealth the show to me and brought. By wealth the poet means happiness, good, pleasure, money. Answer होची happiness. A host of golden daffodils. A host of golden daffodils. Here a host means. A host रो meaning कौन अछि? Option A few, one who entertains a large number, a guest. उत्तर होची a large number. 8 number question. The daffodils were growing. Option along the margin of by the side of pool, by the river side in a garden. उत्तर होची along the margin of a by. 9 number question. The poet saw daffodils. कवि daffodil को देखिथिले a few, white, blue, a large number of. Answer होची a large number of. 10 number question. When the poet was looking at the daffodils, option he felt sad to see them. He was totally lost in their beauty. He thought they were ugly. He felt like dancing. Answer was B. He was totally lost in their beauty. 11 number question. William Wordsworth was a Dash poet. William Wordsworth क्यों देशर कवि थे? ऑप्शन इरिश, इंग्लिश, स्कॉटिश, वेल्स. उत्तर होची इंग्लिश. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ डाइड इन डैश. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ केबे मृत्युवरण करथिले? 1770, 1772, 1850, 1852. उत्तर होची 1850. William Wordsworth was a poet of natural objects and dash people. Option contrary, common, aristocratic, gentry. उत्तर होची contrary. What did the poet see? Option A, lots of clouds, a lonely cloud, a host of golden daffodils, both B and C. उत्तर होची a host of golden daffodils. Where did the poet see the daffodils? Beside the lake, near the tree, in a big field, on the lap of a hill. Answer होची beside the lake. What were the daffodils doing? Dancing and singing, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, shining with a happy glance, dancing in the water. अब सूत्र हो जी ऑप्शन बी, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Whom does the poet compare with the daffodils? 17 नंबर क्वेश्चन छुआ, whom does the poet compare with the daffodils? ऑप्शन stars, trees, clouds, lakes. उत्तर हो जी stars. Where do the stars shine? On the sky, on the Milky Way, in the water, top of daffodils. उत्तर हो जी on the Milky Way. 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन, how many daffodils did the poet see at glance? केते daffodil को कवि देखिथिले? ऑप्शन 5000, 10000, 15000, none of these. उत्तर हो जी पिला माने 10000. 20 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने कहिछि, where are the daffodils fluttering and dancing? Option in the sea, in the lake, in the ocean, in the breeze. उत्तर हो जी in the breeze. Who were dancing like the daffodils? Who were dancing like the daffodils? Option right, rivers, seas, waves, lakes. उत्तर हो जी waves. 24 नंबर क्वेश्चन पिला माने, the poet has made two comparison in the poem daffodils. What are they? Himself with a cloud, daffodils with the stars. Option B, happiness with the daffodils, stars with the daffodils. Himself with the daffodils, daffodils with the stars. उत्तर हो जी himself with a cloud, daffodils with the star. 25 नंबर क्वेश्चन, how does the poet personify the daffodils? Option by calling them a company, by saying they are fluttering and dancing, by referring to them as a host. उत्तर पिला मानो जी by saying they are fluttering and dancing. एबे पिला माने हमें स्टोरी को जीवा, स्टोरी पार्ट को जीवा. स्टोरी पार्ट रो प्रथम विषय दि डॉक्टर्स वार्ड्स आर के नारायण गो द्वारा रचित एवं सेई डॉक्टर्स वार्ड रो एमसीक्यू छुआ वर्तमान हमें आलोचना करिवा. People came to when the patient was on his legs. The underlined express meaning होची underline छुआ the patient was on his legs तार अर्थ होची A option lame, about to be lame, in a critical condition. उत्तर होची in a critical condition. ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ପେସେଣ୍ଟର ଅତ୍ୟଧିକ ଦେହ ଖରାପ ହେଇଯାଏ, ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟେଜ୍ ଆସେ, ସେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ କହନ୍ତି ନା ଏ ଡକ୍ଟର ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଥାନ୍ତି. ଡକ୍ଟର କିଏ ନା ରମନ. As a doctor Raman was dead. As a doctor Raman was dead. Option one of the equals, a man with a difference, somewhat fine, held in high esteem. उत्तर होची held in high esteem. As a doctor Raman was held in high esteem. 3 number question, Dr. Raman was dressed formally, decisive, moody, bitter, all the above. उत्तर होची formally, decisive. 4 number question, Dr. Raman's friendship with Gopal goes back to days, their school days, their kindergarten days, come more than 40 years, all of these. उत्तर होची their kindergarten days. 5 number question, their friendship was days. Option excellent, good, very good, strange. उत्तर होची excellent. Their friendship was excellent. Dr. Raman was dash, very punctual, versatile, very busy, quite uncommon. उत्तर होची Dr. Raman was very busy. Gopal's son was dash, reticent, bored, nervous, both A and C. उत्तर होची both A and C. नेक्स्ट पिला माने Gopal has confined to bed since days. Gopal was confined to bed since days, 46 days, more than 2 months, a month and a half. Uttaruchi, a month and a half. The person to treat Gopal first was days. Their school days, their kindergarten day, Gopal's brother and Anand doctor. Uttaruji answer hoji Anand doctor. What made Gopal's wife unbearable was death. Option Gopal's critical illness. Dr. Raman's evasive reply to Gopal's wife. Uttaruji Dr. Raman's evasive reply to Gopal's wife. 11 number question. The bitter weeping of Gopal's wife made Dr. Roman dash anxious, impatient, confused. Uttaruji confused. The doctor advised the patient to dash sleep, sit, relax, get up. Uttar Bilaman देखो the doctor advised the patient to relax. Am I going? This means. Am I going? This means. Option leaving. Interested to go to his means. Visiting, facing death. Uttaruji, am I going? This means facing death. 14 number question. The patient was desperate, impatient, panic. Uttaruji, desperate. Gopal appealed to his friend to dash, care him, save his family's future, tell the truth, call in his wife. Uttaruji, Gopal appealed to his friend, save the family future. Dr. Raman's act of telling the truth implies commitment to truth, courage, friendship, speedy recovery, friend's death. Uttaruji, friend's death. Dr. Raman resort to deliberate falsehood. Option for the sake of his friend, without any delay, for nothing. Uttaruji, for the sake of his friend. 18 number question. When did people come to Dr. Raman? Option when the patient was very sick, when the patient had almost no sick, when the patient collapsed, when the patient recovered no off. Uttaruj, when the patient had almost no sick. 19 number question. What was Dr. Raman's visiting fee? Dr. Raman's को visiting fee कहते हैं. Option 20 rupees, 25 rupees, 30 rupees. Uttaruji, 25 rupees. 20 number question. What fact did people like to avoid? Option that the patient had less of, that the visiting fees of Dr. Raman was high, that Dr. Raman's means death sentence. Uttaruji, people like to avoid that the patient had less of. 21 number question. What has long years of patient practice bred in the doctor? Option experience to save lives, a certain degree of kindness, a certain cut of truthless, a certain manner of rudeness. Uttaruji, certain number of rudeness. Why was the doctor's opinion valued? Option for his experience, for his kindness, for his truthfulness. Uttaruji, for his truthfulness. 23 number question. Dr. Raman was not a more doctor expressing an opinion but an option judge pronouncing a verdict, kind man helping patient, expert in saving lives. Uttaruji, judge pronouncing a verdict. A option choa judge pronounce a verdict. তারপরে 24 নম্বর, what did the patient's life hang on? Option Dr. Rahman's experience, Dr. Rahman's treatment, Dr. Rahman words. उत्तर होची Dr. Rahman words. What did Dr. Rahman never believe? Option true words can save life. Mere words can save life. Agreeable words can save life. God's will can save life. Option C. उत्तर agreeable words can save lives. 26 number question. How long had Dr. Rahman and Gopal been friends? 20 years, 35 years, 40 years, 50 years. उत्तर होगी 40 years. Why could not Dr. Rahman and Gopal meet often? Option they had a fight. They did not like each other much. Being busy in their lives. उत्तर होगी being busy in their lives. 28 number question. How was the friendship of Dr. Rahman and Gopal? Happy, old, untouched by changing circumstances. उत्तर होची untouched by changing circumstances. Next question. What would the two friends do occasionally on Sundays? Watch a picture, dine together, talk about their lives, all the above. उत्तर होची all the above. Why did Dr. Rahman needed someone to tell him something lies? Option because his dearest friend was ill, because he was heartbroken, because he knew something lives can save lives. उत्तर होची because his dearest friend was ill. ଏବେ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଟରନାଲ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ବିଷୟ ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଦି ରୋଜ୍ ଅସ୍କାର ୱାଇଲ୍ଡଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ରଚିତ ସେହି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗପଟି ଏବେ ଆମେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଗପର ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଏବେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଇଜ ଦ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଡେସ୍ ଏ ରେଡ୍ ରୋଜ୍। ଅପସନ୍ ଆସ୍କଡ୍ ଫର୍, ରେନ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର, ସ୍କ୍ରାମ୍ବଲ୍ଡ, ପାଇନ୍ ଫର୍। ଉତ୍ତର ହେଉଛି ପାଇନ୍ ଫର୍। 2 number question in the student the nightingale find a dash, brilliant scholar, mad young boy, true lover, all of these. उत्तर हो जाए true lover. The nightingale sings of love dash. Option off and on, in a state of melancholy. D option for nights together. उत्तर हो जाए for nights together. 4 number question पिला मन अछि love is dash, nice, precious, wonderful, both. उत्तर होची precious. 5 number question कहिछि the butterfly and lizard dash the students weeping for a red rose. Option look down often, laughed at, jeered. उत्तर होची laughed at. 6 number question the young students sorrow moved the nightingale to dash. Option tears, pity, excitement, commitment. उत्तर होची tears. 7 number question कहिछि the response of the first rose tree to the nightingale's appeal for a red rose was dash. Option negative, positive, ray of hope. उत्तर होची negative. 8 number question पिला माने the nightingale's decision to get a red rose, sacrificing her life, is attributed to dash. Option supremacy of love of her life, her adoration of love, her sympathy of the students, her attachment to the students. उत्तर पिला मन होची ए ऑप्शन supremacy of love of her life. 9 number question पिला माने the boy's beautiful eyes gave a sing as dash. उत्तर होची of strength, sadness. उत्तर होची sadness. The tone of the nightingale is one of dash, certainty, doubt, assurance. उत्तर होची assurance. 11 number question, the boy felt that the nightingale's words are dash. Option pragmatic, absurd, theoretical, emotional. उत्तर होची theoretical. 12 number question पिला माने, the nightingale responded to the oak tree's request for singing her last song for him. Option affirmatively, sorrowfully, उत्तर होची affirmatively. 13 number question, the student always think of dash, reading books, the nightingale, artist, love, उत्तर होची love. Which of the following statement is true? Option, the nightingale sings for nights. It is a moonlight night. At last the nightingale sings the origin of love in the heart of a boy and a girl. Her live blood become thicker. उत्तर होची it is a moonlit night. 15 number question, the nightingale sings of love that is dash, timeless, transparent, उत्तर होची timeless. 16 number question पिला माने, the nightingale sings life is marked by dash. Option pain, fresh pleasure, sacrifice, उत्तर होची sacrifice. 17 number question, the rose the students see is the most dash, fragment, repulsive, beautiful and the reddest, उत्तर पिला मनोजी beautiful and reddest. 18 number question, the professor's daughter discarded the student's gift offered rose. Option vanity, outright, उत्तर होची outright. 19 number, he reconciles himself to life's dash, problems, frustration, unfulfillment and reality, उत्तर होची reality. पिलामान देखो नाइट एंड द रोज रो मु बच्चा बच्चा पाखापाखि 19टी क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन कली जहाँकि तुम इंटरनाल परीक्षा आसवा सुनिश्चित. भिडियो जदि भल लगी था निश्चय लाइक करिवो, कमेंट करिवो, सब्सक्राइब करिवो.